somebody tries and fail, the person will have got some lesson from what made he or she to fail. But refusing to try is a bigger failure than somebody who tried and failed. You should not be afraid to try. You should not be afraid to fail. Instead, be afraid not to try. Be afraid to fail to try. Because trial and failing is more of a success than failing to try. A failure is better than somebody who has not tried, because a failure goes back with one important thing, and that is the lesson. So, at least try.